once-in-a-generation sort of a night that Barnsley need here. York City's famous win here, 29 years, a League Cup tie here at Old Trafford. Here, opponents. Eriksen with the cups in his 2 seasons in charge. And that was the early on, giving away a free kick.
Now, a couple of it to it, Cotter always...
And that's a good ball in, all the way through it comes. O'Keefe content.
Caused a little bit of bother. Quite get a clearing header on it.
And how Barnsley deal with him is... Eriksen lets it run. Rashford collapse.
Rashford, it's amazing what a goal can do for you. And you would imagine that strike at Southampton wise, that's what you want to see from him, taking on play.
Eriksen to deliver for Manchester United. Maguire's gone round, fine defending.
Goal so far. Rashford, second was a better strike than the...
Eriksen to Garna. Rashford.
Switch of play. To give Rashford a chance to have a
first touch, even better second, and the third is a belter.
Fairness, past Mark Roberts, but no mistake with the finish.
Well, it's 2 goals in 2 games, but that is vintage Marcus Rashford. Back to Antony, who gets United. The Barnsley goalkeeper, and so it proved.
Once over the dive, and you can see why Slanina feel initiate the contact.
Cup run. It's Antony. It's stuttering.
Rashford, you feel he needs
back of the Barnsley net. Goodness me, he needed that
to start showing this.
Antony running in behind, he's got that. No, he hasn't. O'Keefe taking it off his toes. Dancing beyond the challenges. Go! On the stroke of...
He was the first to react.
And they will feel their first half efforts have taken...
As I say, he was ready for it. He was first to react, and little toe poked as the...
Running through on goal at the strip and out with a fabulous finish. And Manchester United's 4th.
Space in the first half. Eriksen sees him quickly and accurately. Time in the world. Defensively, it's not something that Darrell Clark would be too happy with. The pitch, and he was in acres. Not for the first time either. He's
back from ahead of league business at the weekend against Burton. Garnacho for Manchester United. Rashford! Running riot in the Carabao Cup.
Just onside.
Antony.
Yeah, never really threatened to beat the keeper. Straight at him. Didn't quite get...
Garnacho. Antony. Manchester United sweeping. Garnacho! He'll probably get another chance
for United at the moment, you thought.
Although this will be easy to get up.
See him lay it off, and he doesn't just stand. He thinks, oh, I'll have a little join in here.
Christian Eriksen, who has conducted from deep, spearheaded the flick from Fernandez. Xerxes. Eriksen for United and for Eric.
Have a look at this. So smooth.
It has been a huge win for Manchester United. Easily he loves the cups, and he'll certainly have enjoyed tonight. United, Barnsley's simpler of dreams, a nightmare for them. Manchester United's biggest ever. United 7, Barnsley